Hey, fellow scribes and creative minds. Feeling trapped in your own array of words? Struggling to give birth to inventive, gripping content that resonates? Worry no more. Today, we will decode the mysteries of proficient text creation with a secret tool of the experts, Gemini Pro. In a simple 5-step process, you'll master Gemini Pro just like a Jedi of text creation, crafting engrossing content that'll leave your audience on the edge of their seats. So, put on your thinking caps, ready your creative weapons, be it keyboards, pads, or even hoverboards, and prepare for an intensive course in Gemini Pro proficiency. Step 1. Harnessing the power of prompts. Forget the anxiety of a blank page. Gemini Pro feasts on prompts. Be it a word, a sentence, or even a long paragraph, Gemini Pro thrives on anything that sets off your creative spark. Be specific and watch how it produces intensely focused, mind-blowing results. Step 2. Tuning your tone to perfection. Gemini Pro allows you to set the precise tone you envision. From authoritative to friendly chats, Gemini Pro tailors its voice to fit your needs. It's the equivalent of having an entire team of skilled writers at your service. Step 3. Appreciating the power of remix. With the remix tool of Gemini Pro, you never have to fear being stuck. Whether you want a fresh take on a sentence or an entire paragraph, just hit remix and get back on track. Step 4. Polishing your masterpiece. This is where Gemini Pro's inbuilt advanced tools come into play, letting you fine-tune your content until it sparkles with perfection. Consider Gemini Pro as your partner in this creative journey. Step 5. Release your inner wordsmith. Now, it's your time to shine. Armed with the power of Gemini Pro, you're set to conquer the world of content. Just remember, with Gemini Pro on your side, no writing challenge is too daunting. Let's go and create some magic.